Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 6th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest stories surrounding Apple and its ecosystem. From labor disputes to regulatory challenges and technological advancements, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The National Labor Relations Board has accused Apple of violating labor laws by allegedly terminating labor organizer Cher Scarlett in 2021. Scarlett, a prominent figure in the Apple II movement, claimed Apple enforced overly broad confidentiality rules and prohibited pay discussions among employees. The NLRB determined Scarlett was constructively terminated due to a hostile work environment. A hearing is set for June 2025 unless a settlement is reached. Remedies sought include reinstatement with back pay and an apology. Apple faces its first fine under the EU's Digital Markets Act for alleged anti-competitive practices related to its App Store. The fine, yet to be disclosed, follows previous penalties against Spotify. The DMA aims to curb tech giants' dominance and promote fair competition. Apple's App Store policies have been under scrutiny for stifling competition and inflating consumer prices. The outcome could set a precedent for digital marketplaces in the EU. Nvidia has surpassed Apple as the world's most valuable publicly traded company, with a market cap of $3.43 trillion. This milestone, reached on November 5, 2024, is driven by Nvidia's leadership in AI and strong demand for its GPUs. Nvidia's stock has surged, reflecting its pivotal role in the tech revolution. Meanwhile, Apple reported a 6% revenue increase, but faces weaker growth expectations. Apple has expanded its satellite services deal with Globalstar, investing an additional $1.1 billion to enhance capacity. This includes a $400 million equity stake, giving Apple 20% ownership. The move aims to bolster satellite features for iPhone users, allowing text messaging via satellite. The service, initially free for 2 years, is extended until 2025. This expansion underscores Apple's commitment to enhancing satellite capabilities. Apple has requested Foxconn to manufacture servers in Taiwan to boost its AI capabilities. This move aims to position Apple competitively in the generative AI market. Foxconn, Apple's main iPhone supplier, also produces AI servers for Nvidia, which may limit its capacity for Apple's request. This initiative reflects Apple's strategy to integrate AI more deeply into its products. Apple's unified memory architecture with Apple Silicon has changed how users consider RAM for new Macs. The design allows all processing units to access a single memory pool, enhancing speed and efficiency. Recommendations vary from 16 GB for general users to 128 GB for specialized fields. Users should balance current needs with future demands, as upgrading RAM can significantly increase costs. Apple is reportedly developing a new 90Hz display technology for upcoming products, including the Studio Display, iPad Air, and 24-inch iMac. This upgrade marks a significant enhancement from the current 60Hz refresh rates. The technology is expected to debut in the next-generation M3 iPad Air in early 2025. Users have expressed mixed reactions, hoping for higher refresh rates. General Motors has decided to drop Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from most of its vehicles, particularly electric models. This move aims to give GM more control over the user experience. GM's Senior VP, Boris Stetnok, emphasizes the need for integrated software experiences. The decision reflects GM's shift towards a software-driven approach in its vehicles. AliveCor's CEO, Priya Abani, accuses Apple of bullying smaller medical device companies by allegedly stealing intellectual property to enhance the Apple Watch. Abani claims Apple engages in litigation against smaller firms, knowing they can't afford to fight back. This conflict highlights challenges faced by smaller innovators in the tech and medical device sectors. An author shares their journey of migrating from Apple Photos and iCloud to open-source software for photo management. Frustrated by bugs and lack of control, they transitioned to offline management using tools like Shotwell and Darktable. The process involved organizing and converting files for better compatibility, ultimately regaining control over personal memories. Alvaro Duran critiques credit card security, arguing they are outdated and vulnerable to fraud. He advocates for public key cryptography in payment systems, enhancing security without revealing sensitive information. Duran highlights digital wallets like Apple Pay as more secure alternatives, using cryptographic keys and transaction-specific tokens. On November 5th, 2024, the US celebrates Election Day, and Apple News introduces a live activity feature for real-time updates. This feature aims to balance staying informed with maintaining a healthy distance from constant news consumption. Users are encouraged to vote and engage in other activities after casting their ballots. PostPocket is a new app designed to help users save, organize, and access online content. It features a share extension for capturing and categorizing content, allowing offline access. The app prioritizes privacy and security, ideal for users wanting to manage digital collections effectively. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the articles discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.